Welcome people, welcome back, and today we're going to be speaking about one of my top brands for protecting my iPhone every single year. This is the GlassGo tempered glass screen protector kit from Torras. And here I have my brand spanking new iPhone 16 Pro Max in its desert titanium color. Beautiful, beautiful phone, and she deserves the best protection possible. Give it a good wipe down. Of course, we're going to want to wipe it off here, and let's get straight to it. This is actually a shell here. They went to the liberty of actually pre-installing one for you, but for future references, it's pretty easy. You put it face down with the tab facing upwards like this. You have 3 holes here. You can't really mess this up. You put the screen protector in there, and they have a slot here for your power/lock button. Just simply line that up, drop it in there, make sure everything is all aligned. And I recommend actually using something, yes people, I'm using a white microfiber cloth, don't judge me, nice and soft underneath your phone. Don't want to potentially scratch those lenses depending on what surface you're using. Put the phone down, simply give it firm hold and pull it out. And wow, look at it go. Just remove this thing from the phone, and that's it. Look at this. Clean and pristine finish. No dust particles, no air bubbles, and perfect edge to edge. It's like you can't even see that it's there, but have a look right here. You can see a slight raised edge there. Yeah, that's a screen protector, because you know the glass, the real glass of the phone is actually flush with the frame. Now, many of you may be wondering about a few things. Here I have one that I actually destroyed on purpose. Pulled it off the phone screen and reapplied another one. Just to show you guys this, right? This thing actually has black edges around the border here to create a more seamless installation and connection with the phone. Now, that's just a design choice. However, when you get it, you might be wondering if it will interfere with the actual borders of the screen here and ruin these thin, seamless edges here. Now, the answer to that is no. I actually found this test here, which actually shows where the borders are for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. As you can see, it's labeled right there. The pink line right there actually shows where the borders actually meet with the edge of the phone. And as you can see, it is clear as day. So that black edge that you're seeing right there is the actual border of the iPhone 16 Pro Max screen. So it does not interfere with it, and it actually makes it more seamless with the design of the phone. Keeps it black and perfect. The next thing you may be wondering about is if it works well with cases. So here it is in a nice clear case here, and as you can see, it fits flawlessly, right? You can still see the edges right there, the pink edges, showing that it is clear. And there you go, right there. Does not interfere with the case at all, or rather the case does not interfere with it. Now, about that claim about fingerprint resistance, I've turned off the screen here just so that you can have a look. Here it is, live, no cuts, no nothing. Rubbing my finger all over it, and there you go. Have a look at that. Crystal clear. For those long days, those long grimy dirty days, guaranteed that this thing will stay clean for the long haul. But wait, there's more. One more test, people. Scratch resistance. Now, many people go through this. You accidentally drop your phone in your pocket with your keys or your coins or something like that, and this happens. You know, it rubs all over it. Yes, people, this is difficult because this is actually my phone. But yep, doing it right here, rubbing it right on the screen. And there you go. Nothing. You see that? Nothing. And not even my fingerprints that I'm using to rub it off. There's nothing. And the last thing to test, impact resistance. Here you have it. Absolutely nothing. Pristine display. No cuts. So yeah, people, check them out. Cannot beat this. Excellent value. They surprise me every year and this is no different. Check them out, people. Check them out.